At Lakeland, we lead with our values. They shape our actions and our culture. Our values are learner success. We empower learners to ignite and pursue their passion to reach their potential. Integrity. We hold ourselves and each other to a high moral and ethical standard with a commitment to uphold our Lakeland values. Respect. We honor others by demonstrating care and concern for their perspectives and ideas. Community. We participate in our communities and foster mutually respectful relationships for the common good. Excellence. We strive for greatness in all that we do. Innovation. We encourage novel ideas, processes, and theories in support of sustainable outcomes. This is the Lakeland Way.